Here is how you can change the keyboard size on your Android phone. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So this is a Samsung phone. So I'm going to get inside the settings and find the general management below, where I can find the settings menu. So as you can see, the settings for keyboard, Samsung keyboard settings, that's what I'm going to click on. And in here, we can adjust more things, but definitely the size as well. So below, you can find the size and transparency. And in here, I can literally change the size of the keyboard. So I can grab it like this and make it smaller. Obviously, it's not like endlessly resizable, but you can make it like thinner, higher up like this. You can choose one side to be empty, right? And you can also kind of like move things around in here, so you can perhaps move it up or to the top, the bottom, right? However you like it. So that's pretty interesting, right? And you can choose it to be any way you want. And yeah, you can hit it done or reset it to the original default settings if you want to make it come back to the first stage. But once you hit it done, this is how it's going to look. So whenever you get to the keyboard, it's going to be pretty large, right? This one is taking up like half the screen, if not more. And that's essentially good if you wanted to change it and customize it this way. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if it worked. Just keep in mind that if you have a different keyboard which you are using, like this was the Samsung keyboard, but if you're using, for example, Swift or Gboard, those are different apps which will have their own settings, and you have to change it inside of that application specifically. But I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.